We have a request to do part 1 of fall 19 test 3. And we're going to do the scheme. Got a lot of stuff in the way this time. So this scheme is going to be, there was a typo on the test. It should have been questions 1 through 11, which we will do right now. Which base would give the observed result in step 1? So we're told the KEQ has to be 10 to the 10. Acetylene, if we don't know what acetylene is, this is going to be a very difficult test, like impossible. Acetylene is this molecule right here. It's also called F19, and its pKa is 25. I need a little more room up there. All right, pKa is 25. Need that. And whatever HA is, I don't know why it's not writing for me. I'm writing on that spot and it's a dead spot. Hopefully just screen needs cleaning or something. We're going to make an acid here, HA, with a pKa of 35. How do I know that? Yeah, 25 minus 35 equals minus 10. KEQ equals 10 to the 10. It's the only thing that'll fit. And this was a figuring out thing here. Okay, 35. Hey, there's only one HA with a pKa of 35. It's our favorite one. It's HH, yeah. Now the question isn't what is the acid that's produced after reaction step 1 is over. It's what base was used to make step 1 happen. And you need to pick the one that has H- in it. All the other answers are good answers for different questions. Do you want to make this a very good review? KEQ for the first one, CH3 minus will become methane with a pKa of 50. 25 minus 50 is negative 25. So KEQ is equal to 10 to the 25. KEQ equals 10 to the 25. This goes to an alkene. This is the conjugate base of an alkene with a pKa of 45. So pKeq is 25 minus 45 is negative 20. KEQ 10 to the 20. That would be the answer if it said right here, KEQ equals 10 to the 20. Every one of these is a great base, except for hydroxide, which would give it a lousy yield. It wouldn't work. So yes.
So on that exam, we're always gonna know that acetylene is gonna be one of them.
I'm just gonna level with you. They're gonna have the same 6 answers every semester.
No,
And I'm just gonna change this number right here.
And then you would subtract that number by 25 to get it.
Well, 25 minus whatever this is,
Yeah.
and then, you know, that
So
tells you
you're
what the
always
acid
using
was, and then you pick the conjugate base of this acid.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So you're always using acetylene.
Yeah.
Basically.
And here KEQ is 1. This is the conjugate base of acetylene. Okay, 10 to the 0. 25 minus 25. That doesn't sound very practical. And this one's a sad face. KEQ equals, this won't be an answer ever. What's 25 minus 16 is 9, 10 to the negative 9. It doesn't work. That's what that means. If KEQ is 10 to the negative 9, it means you have 1 billion reactants for every one product. The reaction didn't work. And this last one over here, KEQ is 10 to, let's see, that's the conjugate base of an amine with a pKa of 40. 25 minus 40 is negative 15. KEQ is 10 to the 15. There you go. I got all the possible answers covered. All right. What is product 1? Oh, we're going to mix acetylide acetylide with isohexyl bromide. So isohexyl has 5 carbons in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a V at the end. Isn't that green thing an isohexyl group? The bromide got kicked off by the C minus. Now it's nomenclature time. This 11 goes over here in case, there you go.
Is that a synthesis?
That's a synthesis. That red line is a new bond. 6-methyl 1-heptine. I hope that's one of the answers. Ooh, yeah, it's the first one. Okay. Vinyl potassium. Oh, vinyl potassium. You say, I've never heard of that. It's fine to say that. It's right on the page. Vinyl potassium is this. It's the conjugate base of an alkene. You know what a vinyl is, right? So vinyl potassium is a CH double bond CH2 with a minus. It's a good base. That's just going to take the H off of this thing. C double C minus, I don't know. KCH2, CH2, CH2. You're going to get C triple C minus. This is not the answer to the question. There's only step 1 or step 3. I apologize. Step 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, B. And then step 4 goes to product 2. And I promise no stereo centers. So this, you won't see a stereo center on your version. This one has a stereo center, R2-chloropentane. That's a stereo center. And I didn't teach you what happens to stereo centers in these reactions. I'm going to wait till chapter 9. R is going to be 2 chloro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And wow, this is product 2, finally. C triple C. And it's going to new bond to the carbon with a chlorine. If I did teach you, R becomes S in this reaction, but I didn't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's S. And we still have the green piece on the end. 1, 2, 3, 4 with a V on the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, isohexyl, that's right. It wasn't isopentyl. Oh boy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a V on the end.
Wouldn't we have 2 methyls on that carbon? That one to do is CO?
No, there's only one. It's right here. Oh, that's an H. Yeah, if I drew it right. Your question was good based on what I drew, but I didn't draw the right molecule. Yeah, mine didn't even have a stereo center, did it? Yeah, there's S2-chlorobutane, or R2-chlorobutane, and it becomes S. But you don't. I'm not going to teach you or test you on during the synthesis step. A stereo center's flipped. It's not going to happen for you. We'll talk about it in chapter 9 when we get really into depth. So that would get rid of like half the answers. So there's going to be, for you, 2 good answers if you're ignoring the stereo centers. And they both will have this in its name. Let's see. Starting right or left is a good question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But this puts a group on 2. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's 2, 8 dimethyl dodec 6-ine. 2, 8 dimethyl dodec 6-ine. And do we have any answers that look like that?
No.
We don't? Oh, that's really sad. There aren't any answers that look like that. Oh. Do you think it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11? 5, 11? Is that one of the answers? No. Did I do something wrong? Is that another good question?
We have a 3, 8 in the very beginning.
There was a 3, 8?
Yeah.
That's no good. 3 8s. There's no good answer. 3 8's darn close, but it's wrong. I wonder if the answer key had corrections. It might have had corrections. So, with what you know, you'd have to pick A or B. Because I'm not making you responsible for stereo centers. A or B after corrections. And these are corrections.
The answer key was AB.
Oh. 410. I don't know how you got a 4 out of that. 2-chloropentane. Oh, I know my whole problem was here. I drew 2-chlorohexane. Ha! I'm off the hook. Forget about corrections. How much erasing am I gonna have to do? There.
Oh.
Yeah, which means I started numbering from the wrong end. It changed everything, didn't it? Because now the alkyne's on a lower number this way. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. AB. Or, is there another one with 410? There has to be. Let's see, you said AB? S or E. 410 dimethyl undeck 5, yeah. With what you know. Or E. If stereochemistry is ignored. And I want to be very clear. You won't have any R's or S's in your scheme. Okay? And that'll get rid of half those answers. Because I'm only concerned about what group's going where. Not backside attack or flipping a stereo center. You don't know there. Okay? That's product 2. Oh, we didn't do PKEQ for step 3. Vinyl potassium became ethene. We'll do it right here. Plus H2C CH2 pKa equals 45 from the alkyne with a pKa of 25. PKEQ 25 minus 45 equals -20. Was it PK question? Yeah, what? Right there. BC. Vinyl potassium is right here. And it has a CH double CH2. It has to, or else, octet stuff. And that's the conjugate base of an alkene, which has a pKa of 45. And we got that. And product 2 we had AB or E. And I'll circle it here too. Product 3, I have no idea. I know we don't like this question. Yeah, I hear you. Okay.
Well, this you can't skip one part and still get on with it, right?
Yes, you can.
You can.
You can skip this multiple choice. All right, now product 3. This was product 2.
If you make a mistake on one of them.
Yeah, it kind of screws it up for the rest, doesn't it? Yeah. It's for this section is only for the brave. Okay.
But it's
For people, I need to have something in this class for every possible student out there. And there's some exceptionally gifted students I've seen over the years, and even they need to be challenged.
Thank you. That's what I appreciate.
So, yeah, so it's for them. That's it. And you can do very well on this test if you skip this whole scheme deal. It is nice review though, because it's got a lot of our chemistry that we need to know on it. And remember, this is sodium and ammonia here. You're going to make that triple bond into a trans double bond. And then you go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then you go 4, 3, 2, 1. And the name's going to be the same as AB, except it's going to be E and alkene at the end. So go with the AB. Find the same name that ends with "ene" and has a E in it. Okay, ignore stereo centers. You're not going to ignore E and Z because that's very important. But I need something with these names. It doesn't matter R and S. And 4,10 dimethyls and 5-line becomes 5-ene. So I think we're looking at not the Z's, the E's with a 4,10. Where are you? E's with a 4,10? These two. These 4? 5-ene, 5-ene. Easy's, yeah. So any of these. Because we're ignoring stereo center.
So do you want us to highlight them all?
No, there's only gonna be one right answer on yours.
You're not gonna put any.
You're not having stereo centers. That gets rid of half of them. So, yeah, are they all E? How come I have 4 of them? That's a good question too. Oh, dodeck. Don't pick the dodecs. They have the wrong number of carbons. I gotta read carefully. It's annoying just trying to find the answer sometimes too, right? Well, I'm with you on this one. Okay, yeah, they're the 11 carbons, right? 11. Same number as before, 11. If I did teach you about the stereochemistry, then I'd want the one with the stereochemistry, but I don't want. Step 5, there are 2 acid-base reactions with the same KEQ. What is the KEQ? Well, this is getting really nasty. Step 5, where are you, step 5? Oh, here. Oh, yeah, that's the one where you kind of have to know the mechanism. You got a C-triple-C minus in one of the steps. And yeah. Then it goes to here. And it's NH3 with a pKa equals 40. And now it's alkene with a pKa of 45. Don't forget, you're going left to right. So right to left is reactant is 40, product is 45. KEQ equals 10 to the 5. I can't remember which one was asked for. Was it the PK? No, it was the KEQ. 10 to the 5, left side. Yeah. What are product 4? Product 4. I think this is one. Oh, product 4. So you're gonna take product 3 and hit it up with some ozone. You hit that.
I don't know who would do this already. Took like 30 minutes.
I know, but I was talking all the time.
I know, but still, it's gonna be a lot of time. You're not even have to go. It's gonna take so much time.
I hear what you're saying. I agree. I agree.
Yeah, this is one where you go back to and just pray.
Yeah, try to pick off some that are easy.
Yeah.
That's a good strategy.
Yeah.
And this one goes O double C.
No, part 1's worth 30 points.
Yours won't be.
Yeah.
No, I'm shortening yours, right?
25.
Yeah, that sounds about right. Well, it's got to be multiple of 3 because they're 3 points each. 24.
And we can still skip it.
Aren't these the 2 products that ozonolysis? You like ozonolysis, but it does depend on you picking this product in the first place, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a double jeopardy, now it's triple jeopardy, and then quadruple jeopardy.
I'm just gonna start with part 4, like what I've been doing.
There you go, part 4, start there.
Yeah.
So whatever those are, and now you it probably has names of the molecules too, right? Fantastic. Aldehydes with names. There's no names of aldehydes. So this one's 2-methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentanal. 2-methyl pentanal, check. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5-methyl hexanal. Boom. So we like 1 and 5. There you go. Oh my God. I really asked this question? Okay. Can I just say I'm not gonna ask this question? How's that?
Yeah.
How you like that? For narrowing down the questions I'll be asking. And nothing about stereochemistry. Okay? Nice? Okay, so we get an idea how it's cutting it down to 8 questions, right? We're already down to 9. We got rid of 2 from 11. It's down to 9. We're giving away the farm on this one. Product Y. Why not? Product Y. Oh, product 1. So that's the ketone. Yeah, you like product Y and Z. One's the ketone. That's the one with the mercury. And one is the aldehyde. That's the product with the hydroboration and oxidation. And it's going to be a 7-carbon aldehyde with a methyl on 6. That's for this one, product Z. 7-carbon aldehyde. 7-carbon aldehyde methyl on 6, did I say? There you go. And Y was a ketone on carbon 2. There's 2, right? Of 7 carbons with a methyl on 6 as well. So ketone on 2 of 7. So it's some kind of a heptanone with a methyl on 6 and the ketone on 2. So 2-one is right, not 3-one. That means it's on the 3rd carbon. 2-one, methyl on 6 though.
That's
AD. AB? AD. Oh, 6-methyl-heptane 2-one. Yay. I do like those 2 questions. I think you like those 2 questions. You got a shot at those 2. Pick and choose some questions. There you go. No, come on. The first ones weren't bad. Now that you know what's going on, and I told you, I'm going to make one of these the right answer. I'm not even going to change these answers. They're going to stay.
I'll finish the entire exam and I always.
Yeah, pick off that one, maybe product 1, and then the last 2.
You cannot do these 2 without product 1.
Yep, yeah, they come from product 1. So you just do this left side stuff. Move on. Yeah. I'll save as. Perfect. Okay, and end of video. We thought it would never end.